Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Office. Com or opening Outlook for Microsoft 365. This grants the mailbox and settings you need. Once signed in, make sure multi-factor authentication is completed to protect access and enable modern authentication. Next, verify your time zone and language so timestamps and sorting behave predictably. If you're on a managed device, confirm network access and VPN rules. These affect sync. Now open Mail and focus on the inbox to begin composing and organizing messages. You compose with new message. Add recipients into, use CC/BCC for visibility, and type a clear subject to improve deliverability. Once done, apply categories, move messages into folders, and set a rule to auto-sort repetitive mail. Rules reduce clutter and save time. Make sure Focused Inbox is tuned so important mail surfaces first. Also configure sync frequency and connected devices to keep messages consistent across Outlook desktop, web, and mobile so replies never miss context. You finalize by using advanced actions. Schedule send for timed delivery, enable automatic replies when away, and save templates for recurring responses to speed workflows. If collaboration is needed, audit and grant mailbox permissions or add a shared mailbox so teammates can manage communication. For security, review mailbox access and remove stale delegates. If something goes wrong, check mailbox size, sync status, and cached credentials. Re-enter your password and clear app cache to force a fresh sync. This resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.